So this is going to be the last day of me doing this recording because it's going to be switched over to you there as agents doing the daily support. Understand? I'm going to walk you through the video. So number one is I've gone into the account that has your digital sign over there in the Operations Center. Number two is I'm doing, and I'm going to put as fire actual target your sign. Scroll out so I can save button at the bottom, and I'm going to click on save in 3, 2, 1. Clicking on save now. Okay, there it hit. So that was a little longer, 0.2 of a second, probably about 0.4 of a second degree. I'm now going to delete the alert in 3, 2, 1, deleting the alert now. I would say that's still an acceptable delay. In fact, it's not just acceptable, it's exceptional. Everybody agree? Okay, so let's try one more. Just because that drove me a little nuts that it wasn't 0.2. So let's go fire, exercise, actual, target 298. 3, 2, 1, clicking on save now. Okay, there we go. Still unbelievable. Okay, deleting the alert. 3, 2, 1, clicking on delete now.